Fatima Kate Bisan, Hiyas ng Sarangani Province!
24-year-old medical technologist Fatima Kate Bisan from Malongon, Sarangani Province bagged the main title of Hiyas ng Pilipinas 2023 as Miss Tourism World, winning 1 million pesos worth of prizes last Saturday evening, November 11, 2023 at the Waterfront Cebu City Hotel and Casino. She also won the awards of Miss Photogenic and Best in National Costume. Fatima is not new to pageants as she already previously held the titles of Miss Philippines Earth 2021 runner-up, Miss Fit 2021 first runner-up, and Binibining Pilipinas 2022 finalist, and she is now ready to represent the country in the international stage of Miss Tourism 2023 this November.
Of course, I'm very overwhelmed with the love and the support that I'm getting right now. So I'm representing the Philippines and I'm very excited for this very moment. And tomorrow I'll really start my rehearsals, my practice, because I'm pretty sure that I'll represent the Philippines with all my best.
Joining her court are 19-year-old Joviel Ann Saluta from Manila City, who was crowned Miss Continental World and also won the Best in Swimsuit award.
An honor to be able to represent the Philippines and carry it with my heart, and I hope that I'll have the support of the Filipinos with me.
Jacqueline Adarayan Fleming of Talisay City, the only Cebuana who made it to the top 5, was crowned Miss Omninational Philippines 2023, making her the country's delegate for next year's Miss Omninational to be held in Bali, Indonesia.
So grateful for this experience and this opportunity to represent the Philippines. Honestly, I didn't really think that God would lead me here, but God is so good, and all of us queens, oh my gosh. This is an amazing and truly a great experience with Hiyas ng Pilipinas, and there's so much more to come.
First and second runners-up are Tara Avenir Limhap of Coronadal City and Vanessa Baracue of Pangasinan Province, respectively. The show, hosted by MJ Lastimosa, Nico Loco, and Atisha Manalo, started with a spectacular production number followed by the announcement of the top 20 who got to share about their advocacies. Most of the advocacies of the finalists stem from their personal stories, such as Stephanie Cardino Bazar, a dialysis patient from Alabel, Sarangani Province.
As a dialysis patient, kahibaw mo nga dili jud hindrance ang bisagunsa nga sakit or bisagunsa nga disability ang naata, as long as dako kayo tagpagsalig sa atong kaugalingon nga kaya nato tanan ug wala imposible.
The competition got even more intense with the swimsuit category and a trimming down to the top 10, where the finalists were asked to pick a word that they should elaborate in 30 seconds.
Tourism in the Philippines is one of our greatest assets, despite the fact that we went through a hurdle of COVID-19. I find that it is important that we succeed and invest in clean and sustainable infrastructure so that we can make sure that we soar through the skies and take care of the Hiyas of the Philippines, which is the Philippines itself. Thank you so much.
For the final Q&A, the top 5 ladies were asked to share their experiences and memories of Hiyas ng Pilipinas that will ensure its legacy.
For the information of everyone, I consider myself as an introvert. I only surround myself with small people only to talk to. But Hiyas ng Pilipinas allowed me to make friends, and that's the most important thing. Actually, in backstage, a lot of girls have been cheering me, and that have boosted my confidence. And the lesson learned is that it is important to have a sisterhood because there is empowerment. We feel together, be together, and we rise together. And with this, I hope to be a strong testament to the new era of empowered Filipinas.
Hiyas ng Pilipinas chairperson Mike Sardilla expressed his heartfelt gratitude for the successful run of this year's pageant and commits their full support to the ladies who will be representing the country in the international stage.
Happy because I think we have the great set of winners, and they are technically my firstborn. Please continue to support Hiyas ng Pilipinas. I don't know. This might be just the first, but I hope I made Cebu and the whole Philippines proud for what we did today.
This has been Mary Frances Leen Kaayan, My TV, Cebu.